We've actually had this as a problem at my church before, where the audio and the video, if we made a video, the audio and the video would not play exactly in sync. There was something that was slowed down. Either the audio got slowed down, or I think it was actually the video got slowed down. So, but it would play perfectly fine in the recording. So to combat that in our situation, what they did was anytime we would edit a video, we would purposely misalign the audio and the video, but we would split the difference. So on one screen, it would be a little behind, and then on the other screen, it would be almost right on time, the second one being the recording. And that way no one noticed. So we've run into that before. If you've got multiple projectors you're doing for